This is Sophia from Chapel Hill Public Library, and today I'm going to be leading y'all in stick weaving. So the supplies that we need for this project are sticks and some string. String more so, I think, but let's get started. So to gather your materials, you can go outside and go on a nice socially distant walk and find some sticks. And we want to pick some sticks that are a Y. So they have these two branches spreading from each other, which is where we're going to weave. Alright, so we have our materials. It looks like this stick is going to be pretty long, so I bet I could make this into two. Whoop! So that one's a pretty good one. The sticks aren't going to break apart. Maybe this one can be a massive one. And you just need one stick. I just like some variety. And this last one has a tiny little one on the end, but it has all these plants growing on it. I don't know if you can, there we go. And this is called Usnea, and it's a little lichen. Yeah, that was kind of pretty. Alright, so for this one, I think I am just going to try something out. What I'm doing right now is I'm tying the string to the bottom, get a little double knot in there, and then I'm wrapping around. I don't want to lose some of these details, so I'm going to wrap around them and see what that does. Hopefully something kind of cool. But I think this one might be all one color, because I really like the texture of this yarn, and kind of stylish, you know? Okay, so I'm at the base, and now I'm going to figure eight it up. Ooh. So as you're weaving, so this is what the figure eight makes. So you loop around one stick, and then go behind it, and then go in front, and then go behind the other. So it's just constant like that. But as you're doing it, if you don't want these little gaps, you can just push, push, push down, ooh, push down, and there you go. So I think do I want to leave a little gap right there? I think so. So I am going to wrap it around like that, just to leave a little space for that Usnea. Okay, and as you get to the end, doop doop doo, all done. You can tie it off. We need some handy dandy scissors, and you cut it with giving yourself enough room to tie a knot. I'm going to do a double knot again, I believe. So this one kind of reminds me of a fairy stick. So I am going to tie some yarn to the end of it. Alright, so this is the final result. I might add some more string to it and make it into kind of a macrame thing. But the cats seem to really like it, so it might be theirs now. But yeah. There's the pattern that the figure eight makes. And then this is just looping around. There's some gaps. I just tied in the string. So if you're wanting it to be multicolored, you can do that. And then this last one, I just tied these three colors to the end of the white to make a little X right here. But it didn't totally. I can kind of see it. Yeah, it's just kind of fun. If you don't want I like the hanging yarn, but if you don't like them, you can just wrap it in and tuck it, and it'll be like that. But yeah, here's our stick weaving, and you can add things to it. I was thinking maybe some string could be fun, just like long strands, so when you run in the wind, it'll blow behind you, like these guys. Oh no! Ah! Gracie! Gracie! I worked hard on that! Gracie! bad news is that it's destroyed, but the good news is that Gracie loved it. Alright y'all, that is it for the stick weaving activity. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you make any of these stick weaving sticks, please send us pictures. We would love to see what you do with this project. Yeah, hope everyone is staying safe, and we miss you. Mwah! Bye!